So first, I'm just going to clip her hair out the way just to make sure I just don't get any makeup or anything on her hair. I'm taking my witch hazel wipe and just cleaning her face. Then I'm going into my milk of magnesia and I'm going to use that as a primer. Now I'm going in with the Sephora brow pencil in chocolate brown, and that's what I'm going to fill her brows in with. Now taking my NC50 concealer from MAC, this is a Pro Longwear concealer. I'm going to use that to conceal her brows. I actually like using a color that's closer to the skin color to conceal underneath and on top of the brows. I'm kind of over that bright look or that highlighted look under the brow. I just feel like this looks a little more natural, and this is what I like to do when I'm doing makeup. I'm just going back in and filling the brows anywhere that I may have erased or taken off when I was concealing. Today I'm using MAC's eyeshadow base for this eyeshadow look. It's a 24-hour wear, and the colors pop up really nice on that. You can see that this first brown that I'm using is a little warm brown. It always shows up really nice on her skin, so I like using this brown as a transition color for her skin tone. Now I'm going into this chocolate brown shade, and I'm really concentrating that on the outer V, and when I get it packed on the way that I want it, I'm just going to blend it a little bit into the crease. So now I'm going to this pink shimmer shade, and I'm just going to concentrate that on the inner part of the lid, and I would say probably to the middle portion of the lid. Just concentrating it there, and I'm kind of blending back and forth so all the colors mesh pretty evenly and well. Now taking this glitter shade, it's a glitter pigment, but it's pressed. I'm just going to apply that right on top of the pink. I really like these because you don't really have the same kind of mess as you would with like glitter, and these actually stick without adhesive, so this is really nice. Now I'm going in with this white shade, and I'm going to concentrate that in the inner portion of the eye. Now I'm taking some glitter in silver, and I'm going to apply that over the white and blend that into the rest of the eye look, and it just makes everything look seamless. I'm applying some lashes. I don't really remember where I got these from, but these are just some regular lashes. Going in with the makeup wipe, I'm just cleaning everything under her eye to make sure all that glitter is gone. Now I'm going to apply her foundation. I mixed shades 7 and 9 from MAC Cosmetics in the Match Masters foundation. You can no longer get Match Masters at MAC, but you can still get it at Macy's and I think like Ulta. I'm using not a beauty blender, but I'm using a sponge. I got this one from Walmart. It was like $6. It works really well. Now I'm taking the Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. I'm going to concentrate that on all the areas that I'd like to highlight. Then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of NC50 and place it right underneath her eyes, just so that I'll get a little more coverage at the top portion so there are no bags or anything like that. I'm going to take that same beauty blender and just blend everything out. Going into my concealer palette by MAC Cosmetics, I'm going to use, I believe this is the shade NW50. I'm not 100% sure, but it'll be in the description box. And I'm just using this shade to contour as a base. If I want like a little more dramatic contour or just makeup in general, I'll go in with cream products and then go on top and set them with powder products or liquid products and powder, vice versa. I'm taking this setting powder from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Medium Dark, and I'm just going to use that to set everywhere that I highlighted. And I'm setting all over her face with a loose powder in Dark from MAC. Then I'm taking this contour shade, I'll have it listed below. I cannot think of it right at the moment, but I'm just going to use that to just go ahead and contour her face. I'm using a clean brush to pat all the powder into her skin. This way I don't get any flashback in photos. This is a really good technique that I learned from this girl at Sephora. I'm going in with my Smolder eye pencil from MAC. It's waterproof and it's really black. I really love it. I use it on everyone and I use it myself too. Now I'm going to smudge that eyeliner out with that brown that I also used in the outer V. And it's okay if it's a little messy because I'm going to go in with another color. So now I'm going into this like black purple glitter shade and I'm going to smudge that out just to add like a little oomph to the look. So this is my blush palette. I created this from MAC Cosmetics, so I'm just mixing two colors together to kind of get the shade that I want. Now I'm going in with two highlighter shades from MAC. I believe they're Gold Deposit, and I'll list the other one below, but I'm mixing those together to get the perfect color. I'm taking this purple colored lip liner from MAC also, and I'm just lining her lips with that. Now I'm going in with this really nude pink lipstick. I thought that the purple lip liner and this pink lipstick would mix really well together. So I'm just going to blend that out until I get the color that I want to achieve for her lips. And then I'll go ahead and apply the gloss. An important step that I didn't do was applying moisturizer to the lips. That would have helped me not really have to clean up the lips so much. But here is the gloss that I'm applying. This is also from MAC, and like I said, I'll have it listed below. But I think it really complemented the lipstick and the liner. So I'm using another liner and I'm just cleaning that line up and blending everything out. I'm setting her face with this FENTY spray. I love it, love it, love it. It doesn't leave you oily or greasy. And then I'm using my fan just to cool her off. So before we started filming, I actually installed this wig. And so now I'm just applying some edge tamer, edge control, and just to kind of comb her edges into the wig to make sure everything blends really nicely.